Hello everyone, I am Ayush Sherekar, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Welcome to AFRS MCQ Times Part 25. This video is consist of questions, their answers and explanation on the topic Forensic Science UGC NET MCQ questions Part 5. Now the questions are: question number 41. Multiplying factor for estimating stature from femur in case of male is. Options are A 3.6 to 3.8, option B 4.1 to 4.8, option C 4.9 to 5.6, option D 5.8 to 6.2. Correct answer is option A 3.6 to 3.8. Explanation: multiplication factor derived from the percutaneous femur length to calculate stature from the total population sample is 3.8. The stature calculated from femur length by using multiplication factor is 174.19 with a standard deviation of 7.98. Question number 42 is: sex chromatin is found in. Options are option A lymphocytes, option B leukocytes, option C monocytes, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option B leukocytes. Explanation: sex chromatin is also called Barr bodies found in somatic cells of females. These somatic cells are leukocytes or WBCs, that is white blood cells. Question number 43 is: in development of latent fingerprints by ninhydrin, it reacts with the following. Options are option A fatty acid, option B amino acid, option C glucose and option D sodium chloride. Correct answer is option B amino acid. Explanation: when a solution of ninhydrin is applied to fingerprints, usually via a simple spray bottle, the ninhydrin reacts with the amino acids that are present in fingerprint residue. Question number 44 is: match the following. Scientists related to the fields. Scientists are Albert Ashbourne, Calvin Goddard, William Herschel and Paul Kirk. The fields are ballistic, tool marks, fingerprint and documents. The correct pair of option is option B, that is A Albert Ashbourne documents, B Calvin Goddard ballistic, C William Herschel fingerprint and D Paul Kirk tool marks. Question number 45. Chemically erased writing can be restored by treatment with. Options are option A polarized light, option B reflected light, option C thiocyanic acid and option D hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is C thiocyanic acid. Explanation: erased writing can be restored by treating with thiocyanic acid. Thiocyanic acid is a chemical compound with the formula HSCN which exists as a tautomer with isothiocyanate acid, that is HNCS. Question number 46. VSC, that is video spectral comparator, is an instrument used for the examination of. Options are option A fingerprint and erased writing, option B erased writing and secret writing, option C tool marks and secret writing, option D fingerprint and tool marks. Correct answer is option B, that is both erased writing and secret writing. Explanation: VSC 2000 HR, that is video spectral comparator, for the specialized lighting examination of documents. It is used for examination of erased writing and secret writing. Next is: read the following passage and answer the questions concerning to it. In summer, a decomposed unidentified dead body was found floating in a pond. The post-mortem examination revealed the presence of wets in the hand of deceased. The internal examination of dead body showed the presence of froth in trachea and diatoms in the lungs. The question number 47. The floating of dead body shows that the death was caused in. Options are option A within 4 hours, option B 4 to 12 hours, option C 12 to 24 hours and option D more than 3 to 4 days. Correct answer is option C 12 to 24 hours. Explanation: when a person's body rests inside the water, the decomposition by the human gut bacteria increases by multiple times, which produces an immersive amount of gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen sulfide, etc. This all leads to the ballooning of the body and its density becomes less than the water. Hence, the body floats. The range is 12 to 24 hours because it depends upon the body type, fat tissues. Question number 48. The presence of which of the following will ascertain that it is an antemortem drowning? Options are option A weight in hands, option B diatoms in lungs, option C froth in trachea and option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Explanation: Based on the above passage, all the three options are certain that it is an antemortem drowning. Question number 49. The identification of dead body can be done by options are option A putrefied body, option B place of occurrence, option C laundry and tailor marks on clothes, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C laundry and tailor marks on clothes. Explanation: in case of drowned and putrefied bodies, identification can be done by laundry and tailor marks on clothes because clothes resist to recompose even if submersible up to 3 to 4 days. Question number 50. The fingerprint of the deceased can be obtained by options are option A visual examination, option B infrared photography, option C X-ray photography, and option D above all methods. Correct answer is option A visual examination. Explanation: visual examination was the first technique proposed for the detection of fingerprints, with Henry Fuld suggesting the use of finger marks in blood, impression in clay, or marks left on glass for identification of criminal in his letter to the journal Nature in 1880. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any queries, please drop your comment in comment section below. We will clarify your doubts. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.